My first YouTube video didn't get views for 6 days. I was so frustrated, I thought YouTube hated me and I was sad with myself. YouTube is not luck. Without knowledge, you can never go viral on YouTube. If you want to get out of the low views trap and get monetized on YouTube, here's a story you need to listen to. I started out my YouTube journey with no knowledge, no experience, and guess what? My first three videos sucked. It was bullshit, total crap, and I got just like 60 views or 31 views on my next video, and I wasn't doing well. So I don't want you guys to make that same mistake. Just copy me and do these five things on your YouTube studio, on your YouTube channel, and trust me, you're going to go viral. Now, the fifth one is the most important part, so I don't want you to skip this video. Watch till the end. The first thing you should do, start. Yeah, you want to start the way you are. Start with that big idea in your mind. You don't have to have the best idea to start or to go viral on YouTube. No, you don't need the best equipment. You don't need the best microphone. You don't need the best cameras. Of course, you don't want to use a very blurry camera. People are not going to watch your video. You don't want to use a very bad microphone, or you don't want to have noises in your video. You want to be as good as possible and create quality. So just start. I want to share something with you guys. I created a video back then and I thought it was going to go viral. And just few hours to uploading my video on YouTube. And then I lost this video. I lost the entire clip of this video and it was so painful. Had I given up back then, probably I won't be here again creating video. But one thing you have to know on YouTube is that your first 10 video, they are gonna suck. Your first 10 video will be bad. So you have to be consistent. Keep creating content every day. You don't have to upload every day. You shouldn't upload every day, by the way, of course, but you should keep creating content every day. Keep practicing your video editing skills, your thumbnail skills. Just keep practicing and keep finding out what works best for you. Trust me, if you implement these things in your YouTube channel, of course, you're going to see significant growth on your channel. Second thing I want you to implement is hook. Always have hook in every of your video. Your hook is what keeps viewers watching your video till the end. You set an expectation for them at the introduction, then you want to set the pace, and you want to use a very good voicing. You don't want to use a very slow tone on YouTube. People are not going to enjoy your content. You want to keep talking, keep the pace going, keep the pace going. That's the trick that those big editors out there are using on their video. The next important part of your video is the body. You need a transition from your hook to your introduction and down to your body. Now, transition helps to slow the pace of your hook down into your introduction. Your introduction is where you want to literally show your face, like I'm showing my face right now. Show your face confidently with a good background and a good setup. You want to show your face in your introduction and talk about your video. It's not compulsory to show yourself in your introduction. You can have a lay over on your screen. You can do whatever you like, but ensure that your introduction accurately answers the question of your video. Most people click on your video with an expectation. So in your introduction, you should set an expectation for people to stay to the end. In your hook, you keep them hooked. You keep them wanting to watch. Then in your introduction, you set an expectation. You tell them what the video is about and ensure them that they're going to get what they want. Your first impression actually matters on YouTube. Then you have to transit from your introduction down to your body. I have some people saying that the body of your content don't really matter. Once you have a good introduction and people get to watch the first 15 seconds of the video, it doesn't matter. But that's a very big lie. If YouTube notices that people leave your content at the middle of your content, YouTube is going to know that this is some tricky content. It knows it's not valuable and it's going to stop promoting your video. So you want to make your body as precise as possible. You want to make it in different sections. Now, I do advise most people, don't record all your video at once. As a small content creator, you don't have the skill, you don't have the expertise to keep people looking at you for minutes. So what you want to do is that you want to create short clips of your videos, and later on you match everything together in the video editor to create a very good content. You don't need to start recording 8 minute straight video of yours. No, you should start with 1 minute, 2 minutes, depending on how comfortable you are. You record clips of this and later get to join them. Next thing you want to improve in your video is your background. If you don't have a very good background, then make use of video editors and remove background noises. Remove things that are distracting your video. You want to keep viewers hooked on you. You want to keep viewers hooked on your content. Remove every form of distraction on your video. Remove background if necessary, if you have a very good editing software, and add backgrounds that make viewers at peace with you. Okay. You also want to display yourself properly. You want to include your setup. You don't want to use a very blurry camera. I understand that some small YouTubers don't have money to buy cameras, but at least make use of a very good phone, make use of very good lighting systems to be able to at least generate quality on your video. Nothing, you want to have a personalized experience with your audience. You don't want to look like you are faking something on your channel. You want to look as real as possible. So my advice for you is that you actually be real as possible in your video. Be transparent about your processes. Don't try to make up things. Don't try to lie. Don't try to increase statistics. Just be transparent And trust me, your first 1,000 viewers, your first 1,000 subscribers, they are going to remember your grind and they're going to support you throughout your process. So you want to be as loyal, as truthful to those set of people that subscribe to your channel. You want to create the best content for them. You want to be as transparent as possible. The thing you want to do is to promote your channel, get your channel out there to people, get it to people who you can ask to watch your video, to subscribe to your channel. Of course, you shouldn't depend on YouTube for going viral. You should also try and make efforts and promote your video to people out there who are likely to watch your video, to your friends who should watch your video. Now, don't just share your link anyhow. Of course, it's going to alter your metrics. The length of this video, I can't cover everything that has to do with video editing in this video. So if you need a video editing course or if you need a video editing video and you want me to create this, then I would like you to suggest in the comment section and I'm going to create a new video on video editing. All right. I'd like to see you implement all of this. So drop the name of your channel in the comment section. I'll get back to you. Don't forget to subscribe.